In Eugene, when I wasn't biking across town or feeding guys down on their luck, I was sitting under fluorescent lights in white rooms with sharp corners and other dimwits like me. During a typing test in journalism, so many words per minute with only 5 mistakes, my wheeled desk chair rolled back and the IBM Selectric fell in my lap. The typewriter was electric and my senses were not. I retested on a manual Olivetti and barely passed. It was early June by then, final grades mailed, and time to leave this self-imposed academic spell. Turning my back on a seal on the map, I headed to a point pictured by a covered wagon. All right, that concludes chapter 2. So I spent some time in Eugene and then returned to the cabin for the summer, which will continue. Before I sign off, I did introduce the little puppy bear.